client is an architect and he had a vision for what he wanted. Coming into the project, he was already showing me sketches and Pinterest pictures going in. So we were kind of heading into the design with knowing exactly what he wanted.
So when we were drawing up the design, I would say the actual output right now is far more better than the one in paper. On paper, it's just a drawing, but when you go into the actual space, you can feel the summation of all the design details that you guys have come up with. That includes lighting, wall, flooring, furniture, cabinets, countertop. When you go inside the bathroom, it's really a totally different space. It's like going into a spa or something every day. One of the goals for the project is to maintain within that budget that we had.
How did we overcome the budget challenge? We used our 1300 series by Belmont. By not doing all the cabinets with the more expensive line, we were able to balance the budget with just doing multiple cabinets in the higher line, getting some of those features and getting the more affordable line for the rest of the cabinets.
The reason why I would recommend Eterna Surfaces to friends and family or whoever wants to use them is they have really good communication with the client. They keep the lines open if you have questions for them, and they're really nice, fun people to work with and good people to interact with. I would highly recommend Eterna Surfaces.